काल आमकां हो रिपोर्ट येयला 5825 आनी तेणें इन्स्पेक्शन केलां आनी हेल्थान इन्स्पेक्शन केलां तें डॉक्टर रोशन नाझारत आनी तेणें बरयलां की द sludge was found overflowing in the fields and whereas as per section 222 of the Goa Public Health Act this is clarified as a nuisance. Hence it is brought to your notice that neglecting to carry out the direction contained in this notice is a cognizable offence under section 40(6) of the above act. Now therefore in exercise of the power vested in me, even with the health officer, under section 41 of the Officers Act, you are hereby served a show cause notice to abate the nuisance by taking such steps as may be necessary within a period of 7 days of the receipt of this notice and send a compliance report of the same. Submit action plan to prevent such occurrence in future within 15 days on the receipt of this notice. Now this is sent to the Assistant Engineer Sewage Treatment Plant Baga. Right? This inspection was done at the behest of the direction from Goa State Pollution Control Board by the health officer. आता पळय कितें जालें तें सगळें तेणेंनी फोटोय मारून आमी फोटो मारून सगळ्यांक घालिल्लें इन्स्पेक्शन केलां. सो एक्चुअली इट इज अ न्यूसन्स रायट. आतां खूब जाण खूब भाशेनी उलयता पॉलिटिकल मायलेज घेवपाक, पूण हांगासर आमच्या गांवांत जें कितें कचरो हाडून हो आमचो सुवेज हाडून उलयल्या ती आमकां नोपयत करूंक जाय. एक्चुअली आमी नको आतां केन्ना पासून जातलें तर नाव इट इज लेफ्ट अप टू द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट एंड द गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्ड because as per my information they don't have a certificate to operate, consent to operate they don't have. It was given by one the earlier one Sharmila Montero was there at that time. Provisional was given to them, but right now everything is in a mess. So that is why we went there. 50 ट्रक 40 ट्रक एके फावटी घालता, खंयचे हाडटा कांय कळना रायट. आनी हांव कितें करता, हांगा कॉन्ट्रॅक्टूय घेतल्या घुमटकारांनी 4-5 ट्रक घेतले. आयज कालूच म्हजेशीन एकली बायल येयलेली 2 ट्रक थांबणा आपणाचे आपणाक अनलोड करून दी म्हणून. हांवें म्हणलें आमच्यान कशें दिवंक जाता, तूं घुमटचें आहा जाल्यार म्हाका म्हणून डिटेल दी, तूं खंयच्या घरांसान हाडला तेंचो फोन नंबर दी आनी केन्ना हाडल्या ती आनी तेजे प्रमाणे हांव तुका डंप करपाक दिता. दॅट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. पूण हांगा कितें जाता तें बिजनस जाला. हे कितें जाता भायल्या गांवचे हांगा हाडटा सुयेज हांगा उडयता. इट इज रॉंग.